Well, today is concrete day, and it looks like I got here a little bit late. They started pouring at 5:30. It's like 9:30 now. I had a couple calls I had to be on this morning. We got the bean. Looks like they're probably just finished up here. Got everything poured. Just gotta wait for it to settle here a little bit so they can come in and finish it. Looks good. Looks like they had plenty left over too, because they used the rest to fill in the garage walls, which is nice. Not all the way, obviously, but they did get one side kind of filled in here. You almost did it. I almost did it on that rock. Hey, Miss Johnny. 27 yards?
1 yard and 2 in there.
I saw that.
So,
how did we guess that so wrong?
Yeah. No, you can go down.
That's a lot of concrete.
Oh, you're on the video. So, yeah. It's the, we looked at the debate. I said 25, 26. He said, well, we should probably get an extra one, because then if you're short, then you gotta pay for another delivery truck to come.
Yeah.
Even if you have an extra yard, they'll still be cheaper and paying $300 some for a truck coming here bringing an extra yard. So you kind of weighing it out, and hey, in the bright side,
you did get it filled in there next to the garage door,
right,
which
so
is
when
nice.
we get to drive, you know,
yeah,
so
you'll be able to, won't have much settling there.
Park a tank there.
Yeah, no kidding.
So we can, you know, like all the way back there, that corner and all that area where you drive over is going to be hard and better, and so it shouldn't go anywhere.
It'll be gooder, much gooder.
Yeah.
Looks good.
Oh,
They still probably have to wait another hour or two before they can start finishing it, right?
I would think I'll ask him. You know, that's the first one out there they have done, and then the second one is part here and over there, and then the last one here. So it's kind of over there is drying.
Yeah.
I'm not exactly sure. This is really water here, so I'm not sure how they're going to get over there and do that. And fat boy with bad knees, I don't think he can crawl over that wall.
That's gonna be yeah, that's gonna be a training exercise there, a training accident.
I told Preston, I said, get off the wall, because you're too thick to bury you in the concrete, and I don't know, I don't want that on the floor.
That's gonna take a couple yards. How's that look? Whoops.
Lean a little more if you can.
All right.
You only have to go to like
Oh, you just filled it in again. No good. No good. Do you want me to bring the plate compactor over and we can just drop it in these things and let it sit there for like 30 seconds on each one? Because this dirt's so dry, it's just like, it's nothing but crusty looseness.
You backfill with it here.
Yeah.
I think you're close now. So it's like not too much. It's just that water is not going so much high as I want. Fine. Some of the posts are going to have to be in the ground. You're going to have to treat them around the edges on the backfill.
Yeah.
It's fine. Especially like those down there, those two there. They're going to be wasting up now.
Got a dog on the work site. Yeah, I think how expensive are those tubes?
Not much.
No? Alright. Yeah, I think just buying a couple more of them and stacking them up. That way you get all your wood out of the ground and...
And I guess we can pack the pile of stone, you know?
Yeah. What's up, bud? You seeing what's happening? To clean out whatever gnarliness was in there. To dig these at angles, but it's just kind of happening.
Fine. It'll be fine. It's around too, so I think you're good there. Yeah, you're good.
Oh, hit that stake too. I'm playing whack-a-mole with your stakes. I think I've hit every single one of them.
I'm trying to kind of at least have just an idea where so that we have to go. I think that's good there, I think. This one is good. So, I won't go too deep. Oh, it's right. Yeah, right there. So what I think I might do on that side, Nick, I might throw some dirt around and throw some stones in there and use your compactor, just compact that bitch.
Yeah.
They're going like ruining that's a solid one there. Unfortunately, it's a little bit off there, but just throw some of the dirt on the lower side if you don't mind. Yeah, there you go. I think that's good there. Same thing here, basically. I'll put some stones and stuff in there to make it more level and stuff.
Pick up my plate compactor.
Oh, I'm not doing that now.
Well, I'll bring it over here. We don't have to worry about it. All right. Well, we did all the digging the other day. They have the tubes in. So Mr. Sonny is out here in the heat, getting these all leveled out. You said they're 23 inches down off of grade. Is that what it is?
Yeah. Off the concrete wall there.
Okay.
Measure from the top. That's our main line right now. Then when we start doing the dirt, then if we have to go lower, we will.
Yeah.
But that's what we're trying to shoot for. See how it looks this way.
Okay.
Make sure the boss man, likes it, so we can kind of make sure it looks good. Because to right here, where these posts are gonna be,
yeah,
it's gonna almost be flat here.
Yeah.
And then it's gonna taper down from here over.
Right.
As long as that looks good, I think we'll be all right.
Yeah. So a little ahead of the schedule with these putting these columns in, but or just getting the tube set. But I think they figured it'd be easier this way. That way they wouldn't have to go down super far into fill and try and dig 5 or 6 feet down. They just get them all set now, get them packed in tight, and that way they'll be ready to go. A lot of the building supplies came. I think it's almost everything but the trusses, as far as like the OSB and 2x4s, 2x6s. There's the deck posts there for the porch. Here's the glue lambs. I think these are 14. Good night, they are long. 14 inches by long as hell. So they'll be able to start on this. The crew that was supposed to come, I think it's an Amish crew that's coming to put the decking on. They were supposed to come today actually, but they're pushing a week. So essentially we're just trying to knock out some of the smaller stuff that we can before they get here. Once they get here, the floor goes on, all the joists and all that, and then we can start to backfill around this, and we'll finally put the new to me Takeuchi, the skid steer, to work and start getting this all to grade, backfilling, and playing around with that. So more to come on this, but we're just doing update by update, video by video as things are progressing here. So more to come.